Hola, mis alumnos favoritos. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 very special verbs. They're all by themselves in this video because they're so weird. We're used to practicing the present tense lately, where all the verbs that have an AR ending kind of have the same similar endings. But these 3 are strange, so we're going to talk about them separately. The goal of the video is that you memorize what they mean, memorizing the definitions, and that you also are able to use the verbs in sentences, meaning you're conjugating the verbs. There's 5 different forms for each that we're going to learn. Let's start with the first one. Copy all 3 of them down in your notes. The verb ir means to go. Could be translated as go, goes, or going. Here are the different forms. I go, voy. Vas, you go. Va, he goes or she goes, vamos. We go, van. They go, or you all go. Pause the video if you need to continue copying, but I'm going to go quickly so that this video will be under 5 minutes. The verb dar, it means to give or gives. And here are the 5 forms. Doy, I give. Das, you give. Da, he gives or she gives. Damos, we give. Dan, they give, or you all give. Again, pause the video if you need to, but let's move on to the third verb. Estar means to be, but it's specifically for talking about location or emotion. Am, is, or are. This one's spelled very strangely. Estoy is I am. Estás with an accent is you are. Está with an accent is he or she is. Estamos, we are. Están with an accent is they are, you all are. Don't forget that 3 of these forms have to have an accent. It's important to put the accent or it changes what the word means. So there's 1, 2, 3 different 3 that have to have an accent. Now wait a minute. You might be confused because you thought ser meant to be, but actually both of these verbs mean to be. Ser is used for describing permanent things, like someone's personality or what they look like. Estar is used for more temporary things, such as your location or how you're feeling at the moment. Think of it like a Facebook status. This word kind of looks like status, to remind you that your status is temporary. It changes all the time. So let's look at some examples. We are going to school. Nosotros vamos a escuela. He gives a lot of homework. Él da mucha tarea. I am in Chicago. Yo estoy en Chicago. But cuidado, be very careful, because I am from Ohio is yo soy de Ohio. We've practiced this one a lot. The difference here is that in the first example, I'm saying where I'm located. In the second example, I'm saying where I am from, my origin. And no matter where I travel, I will always permanently be from Ohio. Time to check for understanding. ¿Entiendes? Do you understand? So now that you've taken notes, the directions say complete the sentences with the correct form of ir, dar, or estar. So you need to read the sentence and then see what it means so that you know what goes in the blank. The example is La clase blank al museo. The class goes to the museum. So how do you say go, goes? And then how do we conjugate the verb ir for a singular subject? La clase, one thing. Va. La clase va al museo. So I will let you pause the video at this point and try number 1 through 5 by yourself. And when you show me your video notes tomorrow in class, I will check 1 through 5 and see how you did. See if this video made sense to you. So try your best, and we will go over these tomorrow. Adios.